Hi guys, Mikhail here from Device for another video. Today we've got a new product from our good friends Yealink. They gave us one of their new BH72 headsets to try out. And I've been trying this out for a few weeks, almost a month now, and I've been very impressed. So I'll go through a bit of the features in a little while, but to start with, I'll just show you guys what's inside. So to start off with, we've got the headset itself, which very stylish in my opinion. It comes in two great colors, both a black and a gray. The microphone itself is retractable, so it kind of gives you that stylish appeal and just make sure it doesn't get in the way. Now the model we're looking at here has a wireless charging deck, which I've got on show here. But it's just important to note that not every single model has the wireless charging ability, but I'll get into that a little bit later in the video. On top of that, we've also got the power adapter, just to charge the base unit itself, a USB Type A to Type C cable, which will be used to charge the headset itself. And then in this edition, we've got a Bluetooth dongle, which is USB Type A, which can go into your Yealink phones. They also make this dongle in a version that comes with the Type C. So if you're going to put it into a computer or something else, there are multiple options that you can go with. Okay, so now we're going to go through the features. So first biggest feature that everyone wants to ask about is the battery life. So with a full charge, it gives you around 40 hours of battery life. They consider that as 40 hours of music play or 35 hours of talk if you're going to use it with a phone. You've also got your Bluetooth 5.2 ability, which I think is great, because I've used older Bluetooth devices before where it's 4.0 or lesser, and you can notice that there's quite a significant lag between the audio of you speaking to the person and then receiving that audio and vice versa. So with this new 5.2 Bluetooth, I've found it much smoother, much more efficient. So really highly recommend that feature on this one, which is great. On top of that, you've got the the wireless charging. I've already mentioned it's got QR charging ability, except for the light version. So that's why it covers most models except for just the one light version. And in certain models like the ones we're looking at today, it'll come with the wireless charging pad. Some of them don't come with that charging pad, but the headset itself has still got that wireless charging ability. So if you've got your own QR charging pad at home for other devices, you can just put it on there. It's also really nifty that it's a quick charge as well. So if you're plugging it in, it's only 2 hours to get it to a full charge. And if you're going to do the wireless charging, it's 3 hours, so it doesn't take long to get that charge either. So another really cool feature I found about this is that it's got this feature called Yealink Acoustic Shield technology. So what that essentially does is it blocks out background noise. So with this, it doesn't have so much noise cancelling, but it's got this kind of passive noise reduction, noise cancelling that you can hear pretty clearly. So with that technology, it just means, as I mentioned, it makes sure that the user can still be heard properly as well if you're using the microphone, but ensures that you can still hear them properly without any background noise impacting that. And on top of that, it's also got EQ, a dynamic EQ. So with these, it's really advertised between both, and I've used it as well. So you can use it for just listening to music at your desk, but then to use it for calls as well. So if you're going to go through that switch from going from music to calls, the dynamic EQ will automatically switch that without you having to do any changes. So it's really kind of adjustable, which is fantastic. So just want to quickly go over the design again. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it comes in multiple colors, just in your gray, which we've got on display here, and the black. It also comes in a variety of models where, as I mentioned, you've got some that are called light versions where they don't have the QR wireless charging, which come in a little bit cheaper. You've also got Teams versions as well. So they've got Teams and UC versions, and you've got versions just with or without the charging pad. You've got a whole lot of different versions, and Device Deal, we sell all of them at different price points as well. So more than happy to ask us any questions if you need about the product. I also really enjoyed, as mentioned, its memory foam cushions. So when you wear them, it's really soft on your ears. And I've worn these for, up to 8 hours a day at work here, and I still found I didn't get that heavy weight squeezing of the ears, which some units do. So this is something that you can wear for a really long time and not feel that discomfort or like squeeze on your ears after a long period of time. It's also obviously adjustable as well. And even just the head unit's got a good kind of cushion onto it as well. So I've really got no flaws with this when it comes to the comfort side of things. So to conclude, the new Yealink BH72 headset is a fantastic new innovation from the Yealink guys themselves. I've tested this myself and I could not be any happier, and I'm going to be using this for the near future. It's got great comfort levels, great features like the new and improved Bluetooth 5.2, memory foam ear cushions, and also great like noise reduction, noise cancelling, whatever you want to call it. Not proper noise cancelling, but kind of a combination of the two, which I think is great. You've got your wireless charging ability, great battery life. It just throws everything in nice on a pretty little bow, and it's something I would highly recommend. So as I mentioned guys, you can get this at Device Deal in both options. If you've got questions about this as well, you can ask us as well. So just to conclude, my name is Mikhail from Device Deal. Make sure you like and subscribe as well, and we'll see you in the next video.